myself Sahai Raj. I am working as a .NET programmer at Spirus Machine Private Limited. Let's go to the topic. The project topic is structural diversity for assisting community identification in published social networks. First, I would like to explain the abstract. Abstract says as an increasing number of social networking and data is published and shared for commercial and research purposes. Privacy issues about the individual in social networks have become a serious concern. Vertex identification and also which is identify the particular user from different social network based on the background knowledge such as vertex degree. Vertex degree is one of the most important problem that have been addressed. In reality, however, each individual in social network is inclined to be associated with not only vertex identity but also community identity, which can be represented the personal privacy information throughout the public, such as political party affiliation. This purpose first address the new privacy issues referred to the community identification by showing that the community identity for victim can still be inferred even though the social network is protected by other anonymity schemes. Here we use KSDA algorithm for that is a diversity anonymization. Let's go to the existing system is proposed system. Existing algorithm is local spectral algorithm and a proposed technique is K-structural diversity anonymization. First of all, what is existing concept? Existing concept like the existing concept vertex anonymity schemes. These cannot ensure the privacy protections among the community. That's why the move to the proposed system. The proposed concept says we then propose the concept of structural diversity to provide a anonymity of community identifiers. The K-structural diversity anonymization, that is KSD, is we used for achieve the proposed system. Algorithm definition is proposed algorithm definition is minimum conductance cut problems to compute the different approximation to the NCP plot, and the proposed definition is the edge connect is to adjust the vertex degree, that is 1 by 1, which is operation adding edge to let every vertex share to the same degree with the other vertex in at least k different communities. Some drawback is in their existing system, that is they are all total anonymization cost is high using the local spectral algorithm, and the vertex identification is very difficult. Some advantages in proposed system is to efficiency minimize the total anonymization cost, and also edge connect have very good scalability. This is overall diagram of our project. This diagram consists of various community like A, B, C, D. A having two communities. With communities mean nothing but if you have two same profile matching, which is come under the one community. In this community, he having the two same person and two different networks. That's why called same community. Let's move to the application in our project. Online social network is application, real-time application for our project. Software requirement is operating system Windows 7, IDE Microsoft Visual Studio 2010, front-end ASP.NET, coding language is C#, backend is SQL Server 2008. Hardware requirement is processor Pentium dual core 2.0 GHz, hard disk 40 GB, mouse Logitech, RAM 2 GB minimum, keyboard 110 keys enhanced. Thank you for watching.